Welcome to Mastering Ubuntu Essential Terminal Command for Efficiency and Productivity. In this video, we will explore some powerful terminal commands to enhance your Ubuntu experience and boost your efficiency. Let us dive into that. First, we are going to see how do we update the Ubuntu systems. The Ubuntu systems you can update in a simple way sudo apt get update. So when you type this command, automatically your Ubuntu server will get all the update from the latest repository. So regularly we have to update our things server through this command sudo up apt-get update. If you want to install any packages that you want required, you can install this command as sudo apt-get install the package that you want to install it. Suppose you want to install the Python, you can say Python. So such packages already installed, so you can don't want to install this command. If you want to remove anything, you can say this apt sudo apt get remove the package that you want to delete. So for up the update, you can use apt-get update. For install apt-get install and apt-get remove, you can remove this commanders. And if you want to find the particular things, particular words or anything, you can use this command find. So the find is the command that you can help to find the letter or patterns, whatever you want to see. You can use this find command that will help you to find what you have, what is the important things. Everything you can see this find command will help you sudo find. And if you want to change the name of the file, or if you want to copy the file, you can copy this. Suppose you want to list out what are all the files available, your directory, you can see all the details here. So if you want to copy this particular file, you can copy this sudo copy the file name that you want to copy, the file name where you want to paste. You give this command, automatically you copy the things from one place to another place. If you want to rename this ls list, if you want to rename any files that you want, ed.zip, you can see move ed.zip that is equal to, we can say xd.zip. Now when you list out now, the file name has been changed. So easily you can change the file name by sudo env command that will help you to remove this, change the name of the file. And you can also give this important thing, this file permissions. So when you want to change the mode of the file, for example, when you look at that ls-l, you see there is things, the permission is given read and write. This is only read. But you want to give full permission for the other users also. You can say change mode this 755 for this txt dot zip file. Now when you look at that, there is a read and write mode has been given to the root user. The other users group can execute this file. So they cannot read the file, they can only execute the file. So you can change the mode at any time with the help of this change mode, that is read, write and execute permission for your particular file. So security reasons we carefully handle this. So that's all for today. So we hope this essential terminal command help you become more efficiently and productivity on Ubuntu. Thanks for watching. So don't forget to subscribe our channel for more help videos recent times. Thank you.